So if you take a look at the SpaceX website, there is Grok build available for free. So it can be installed through curl command or PowerShell. Now the free access is given to cursor users and Grok build. So Grok build is service that they are opening for Super Grok users or those who have Twitter or X Premium Plus subscription. They can actually use it, right? So currently I only have cursor, so that's one thing I can access. And if I take a look at, let's say, one of my recent project, I created one plugin with Hermes agent, right? So I want to bundle this properly and I want to test also the Grok build. So I will remove the auto format for that particular prompt. Here you can see cursor Grok, and then you have option to set the cost. So effort low, high, medium. So we'll go with medium. I can also choose fast, right? So it all depends on your choices. Here you can see 50% off up to 14th, so like 5 to 7 days from here onwards. And here you can also see other models like Sonnet 5 is there. There is also Fable, but I have disabled it because input and output cost overall is pretty high than the subscription itself, right? So I have decided to go with the cursor Grok, right? So you have to come out of the auto mode in order to test individual models, right? So here we will ask, let's say in ask mode, find out if the plugin is ready to be usable across, let's say, Hermes agent build, right? And we can also get the output of this plugin, which is more readable instead of cluttered one, right? So what can be done? I want to see the performance of Grok build here, right? So I will first ask, then get the plan out of that particular summary, and then we will let the agent work. You can notice that it thinks pretty quickly despite set on medium, right? And also you can see it is answering our most critical questions, right? So questions like it is pretty much ready for Hermes agent. So GPU part we have ignored and it is functional, right? Here you can see currently format prints every field as a dense key value block, and we can improve that, right? Here you can see. So we can even ask it to use the agent. Let's improve based on your suggestions, and we can find out how good it is, right? So I just want to test this new model, which is Grok 4.5. As you can see, SpaceX has taken over the cursor, and now any build that either cursor makes or Grok teammates, it will be available through their interface. Also, it will be trained on existing set of users, right? And here you can see this is the output improvement it has suggested for my Hermes agent plugin, right? So it is currently working on that. Once it is done, I'll be able to see what change it is, and I will also look at the Hermes agent. Moving on from that part, you can see here they are also offering the command line interface, which has Grok 4.5 usage up to 14th July, right? So you can set up Grok build and have version 4.5 as your main model to use, right? What it can do pretty decent stuff. Here you can see it has created a slide app like it's PowerPoint, but it's not. It is custom one that designs based on the prompt. Right? You add the prompt, it will update here. Also, you will notice that so they have created this solar system. You can even use mouse and actually look through it. They didn't share any form of source code, but they have this prompt that you can use. So now we have Grok 4.5 with pricing. As you can see, it is currently 50% off, but $2 per million input and $6 per million output. Quality is decent for say app like this, which generates the PowerPoint or any office output. Then from graphics point of view, they have also made some decent demos. So as far as output is concerned, Grok is decent, though I don't use it in everyday usage because the overall cost is pretty high, right? And inside Cursor you can't even complain because they own it, right? So I'm leaning more towards Chinese models as they happen to have lesser cost per million tokens. Within few seconds to minutes, you can see Grok has built this decent example and output is now much improved. System says something like this, and it also shows disk, memory, CPU in this format. So this is how I'm generating the output for my one of the plugins in Hermes agent. So I made this under a minute or so, right? It improved that, right? So this is just an update to existing application, but if you start from scratch, you would still be doing a lot better considering Grok is not that uh, headless or what you call non-vision model. Instead, it can read through your documents and even through some of the what we call flow diagrams and so on. It can build some decent output through as well. I also make use of another model whenever I use, say, cloud-based model, GPT or Grok. So there is this Kimi, any range of model since Kimi 2, K2 is decent. So if you're building project, you can always use this model along with any main model that we wish to, like Cursor, Grok, Composer, and so on. But yes, it is not going to be free forever in most of the providers, so you may have to go with subscription like say command code etc in order to use it for cheaper cost. So this is the Cursor Grok 4.5.